What's up, folks? Today we're taking a close look at Causal, a business financial planning tool that's redefining how companies handle their numbers in 20. Whether you're a startup founder, a finance pro, or just someone tired of messy spreadsheets, this review will help you figure out if Causal is the game changer you need. Stick around to learn all the ins and outs. Causal is all about making financial planning less intimidating and more efficient. The platform replaces clunky spreadsheets with a dynamic visual interface where you can build models, run forecasts, and analyze data without drowning in formulas. One of its standout features is the ability to create what-if scenarios effortlessly. Just adjust a few inputs and Causal updates everything in real time. It also supports integrations with key tools like Excel, QuickBooks, and Salesforce, so you're not starting from scratch. Collaboration is smooth, with team members able to edit and comment simultaneously, which is a huge time saver. The dashboard is sleek and straightforward, though some users might need a bit of time to fully grasp all the functionalities. Pricing is transparent but leans toward the higher end, which could be a hurdle for very small businesses. Despite that, Causal's blend of power and usability makes it a top contender in the financial software space. You can see all pricing features and other things in the pricing title. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment sharing your experience with Causal. For more insights on the latest business tools, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Catch you in the next one.